Today we are going to the zoo.
I can't wait. The main spy!
Let's prepare for the trip.
Everyone get ready.
Ta-ta! I am ready.
Let's go!
Zoo adventure starts now.
The trip is fun already. Look over there. Look over there.
We are here.
Oh. Ah. This place is amazing.
Ah! There are so many people. Let's explore.
Let's explore. Let's explore.
Ha! Look at the elephants.
That is so funny. What a playful elephant.
It is so big.
Let's see the giraffes. Whoa!
So cool. Wow, it is very tall.
I have never seen a giraffe this tall. This one is huge. I can't believe it.
The monkeys are next. They are so fast. That monkey is silly.
That was hilarious.
Yelly jelly.
Yeah, that was hilarious.
Now they visited the lions.
That roar is loud.
Don't worry, you are safe.
Huh. The lion looks strong.
Let's see the penguins.
Penguin.
They are so cute.
Look how fast it swims. Look how fast it swims. They are wonderful animals.
No! Ty.
Time for lunch.
The giraffe is my favorite. The giraffe is my favorite. The giraffe is my favorite.
I love the penguins.
Let's see some reptiles.
That snake interesting. That snake is interesting.
The turtle is cute. I I wish I could pet it.
Look at the bear.
It's so big.
He's scratching his back. I know, pretty cool, huh?
The bear is playing.
The bird show was exciting.
Wow, it came near me.
Choose a souvenir.
I want this giraffe.
This penguin is so cute. Great choices.
Everyone smile.
You know.